Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. December will make us rich, Shib Army. Prepare to become wealthy very soon. Shib News. Due to a sharp drop in the token's value over the last 5 months, the last few months have not been ideal for Shiba Inu. The decrease in burn volume, which drove the Shiba Inu market's revival, was mostly to blame for the issue. Thankfully, things are now starting to change. Shiba Burn claims that there has been a notable increase in the network's burn rate. According to the most current data, Shiba Inu has had one of the biggest rises in burns in recent weeks, with a major burn spike of 910% in the last 24 hours alone. We will discuss how Shib Army December will turn us into millionaires and prepare us for financial success in the near future in this video. Shib News. To view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inu, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get the video started right now. The biggest contributor to the quantity of Shiba Inu burned in the previous 24 hours was the Shiba Inu burn address ending in 3963D, which took more than 5 million tokens out of circulation on the network. Regretfully, the market did not have a commensurate impact from the enormous percentage increase in burn volume. The 21-day moving average shows Shiba Inu consistently moving below the local resistance level. The significant withdrawal of capital from the cryptocurrency market and the complete demise of retail wallets throughout the digital asset sector are the causes of the price decline. Since the beginning of this year, traders and investors have been liquidating their holdings at a rapid pace, and among the first digital investment tools to leave their wallets were high-risk assets like Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is now trading at 0.009, below the crucial psychological threshold of 0.00000001 as of this writing. Unfortunately, we do not currently have enough burned Shiba Inu tokens to cover the current excess, which has caused the price of the token to continuously decline. One of the largest cryptocurrency assets available on the market at the moment is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu provides stake payouts to all of its investors, in contrast to many other coins. Crypto users merely need to buy Shiba Inu tokens on the shibaswap marketplace, and then stake their tokens under the berry option in order to obtain the investor status. After that is finished, the investor may relax knowing that they can now generate passive income without having to invest in any hazardous market coins. The investor can avoid dealing with coins that don't provide the same level of security as Shiba Inu by turning on the staking options. Investors can use the same procedure for the coin's secondary tokens, such as Leash and Bone, in addition to Shiba Inu tokens. In addition to providing the option of passive income, investors use Bone to cast their votes on the Shiba Inu platform's decisions. By letting investors take part in the decision-making process, Shiba Inu fosters an inclusive atmosphere that guarantees all opinions are heard. Additionally, it prioritizes the demands of investors, which is a major draw in the cryptocurrency market. An audited proof of reserves page published by Crypto.com demonstrates that the exchange has sufficient cryptocurrency holdings to cover its obligations to clients. The new page indicates that 102% Bitcoin, 101% Ethereum, and 102% USD coin are required to make withdrawals on Crypto.com, according to a statement posted on the exchange's website on December 9. The research also mentions Tether, USDT, XRP, Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, Chainlink, Link, and Decentraland, Mana, all of which have reserves greater than 100%. After dropping 0.52% on Saturday, Dogecoin, Doge, fell 3.63% on Sunday, December 11. Doge dropped 10.94% to 0.928 at the end of the week. Notably, for the fourth session in a row, Doge was unable to revisit 0.10. Doge had a bullish start to the day, rising to a high of 0.972 in the morning before encountering the first significant resistance level, R1, at the same level. A late low of 0.916 was reached by Doge. Doge ended the session at 0.928 after breaking through the day's key support levels. After losing 0.54% on Saturday, Shiba Inu dropped 0.65% on Sunday. Shiba Inu dropped 2.56% to 0.912 at the end of the week. Shiba Inu, however, completed the day at 0.912 after finding support at the second significant support level, S2, at 0.97. After a bearish weekend, S1 pegged Shiba Inu back from a full rebound. This morning, Shiba Inu and Doji were far into negative territory. After a positive U.S. jobs report and an ASA non-manufacturing PMI survey, investors were put to the test over the weekend and this morning by market anxiety over the impending Fed interest rate decision. The U.S. CPI report tomorrow becomes the main topic of discussion. Bets on a December Fed turn could be slashed by hotter-than-expected inflation data. Although slightly milder inflationary pressures are likely to persist, Friday's U.S. wholesale inflation data suggested that the Fed hawks may have the upper hand. The revelation of strange activities on Binance adds to the pessimistic outlook. According to an update provided by Binance, the behavior seemed to be typical. However, following the FTX fall, investors were sufficiently alarmed by the Binance news. Trust is weakened at the moment of the most recent news. The focus is on Tuesday's CPI report because there are no U.S. economic statistics to take into account today. Following the announcement that Twitter plans to introduce Twitter Coin, Elon Musk and Twitter may be able to undo the losses suffered by Doge and Shiba Inu. The Twitter confirmation of Dogecoin's incorporation onto the Twitter payment platform would offer much-needed support, despite the cryptocurrency's struggles. At 0.884, Shiba Inu was down 3.07%. Shiba Inu had a bearish start to the day, dropping from a high of 0.912 to a low of 0.843, before recovering through the third major support level, S3, at 0.872. Shiba Inu dropped through the main support levels of the day, to reach the first significant resistance level, R1, at 0.925 and the Sunday high of 0.929. Shiba Inu must pass through S2 and S1, as well as the 0.616 pivot. A positive afternoon session would be indicated by a rebound to 0.920. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is probably going to follow the Nasdaq index and the larger cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu would probably challenge the second major resistance level, R2, at 0.938 in the event of a prolonged rally. At 0.960, we find the third significant resistance level, R3. If S2, S1, and the pivot are not broken, the third significant support level, S3, at 0.872, will remain in play. With Shiba Inu below the 50-day EMA, which is currently at 0.923, the EMAs are sending a bearish signal. The 100-day EMA pulled back from the 200-day EMA this morning, and the 50-day EMA fell back from the 100-day EMA. The signals were negative. A breakout from R1 and the 100-day EMA to reach R2 would be supported by a move through S2, S1, and the 50-day EMA. Shiba Inu would be under pressure, though, if it couldn't break through the 50-day EMA. The Shiba Inu price forecast indicates that the cryptocurrency's consolidation phase will occur within the descending triangle pattern on the daily price chart. The 20 EMA is where Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is currently trading, although it is still below the 50, 100, and 200-day daily moving averages. With an intraday increase of 0.22%, the Shiba Inu to Bitcoin pair is currently trading at 0.0000000054 BTC. According to the Shiba Inu price prediction, the token is contained within the daily price chart's falling triangle pattern. For the Shiba Inu coin to surpass the daily price chart, it must ascend out of its current state. The SHIB army cannot move in until the token exits the consolidation state and exits the descending triangular pattern. Shiba Inu's price experienced a thrilling roller coaster throughout the daily price chart, first failing to break out of the descending triangle pattern and becoming trapped in the consolidation stage. After recovering, the token managed to break out of the consolidation phase, but it was soon pulled back into the falling triangle pattern. For Shiba Inu to commence its recovery phase, the price must break out of the falling triangle formation and more buyers must join the market during intraday trading. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Only the grammatical errors are fixed in this version. The content remains unchanged.